It's very simple. Any muscle, anything that you do not use in your life will go to waste, will start atrophying, especially in the body. And it's the same with our internal organs. Here is where the diaphragm is very important. It is one of the most important muscles controlling our breath. Again, it's most of the time working involuntarily, but through our willpower, we can increase the capacity of our lungs by pushing the diaphragm out, by consciously pushing the diaphragm down, taking deep inhales down into the lung, abdominal breathing also it is called, and then pushing the diaphragm back up, releasing the excess breath from our lungs. The other thing that this use of the diaphragm does is that it also releases suppressed emotions. Most of the people, they have their solar plexus. From a healing perspective, their solar plexus is almost all the time congested or heavy and under stress. So when we take deep breaths, when we are using the diaphragm muscle to push the energy into our body and release it consciously, we are also releasing the stress that we are holding in our body. We become more self-aware, we become more confident as well, because those suppressed emotions are not working, their own psyche within us. So all of that gets released through proper breathing. So emotions itself can be healed just if we are breathing properly. Our mind is always calm and relaxed when we are taking deep breaths. We can think clearly, we can take the right decisions. So breath is not only limited to your physical well-being, it affects the nervous system in a way which is what actually then works on your mind and your emotions. So that's another reason why we should be breathing properly. But before we get into the technique, I just want to share with you how this whole process works, and we have all studied this in preparatory science, but it's sometimes good to just recollect what we have studied so that we know what our body is doing for us, and we honor that aspect of our body and not take it for granted. So we all know that the blood is driven through the heart. Through the heart, it is pushed out into the arteries, into the capillaries, and it takes this bright red oxygenated energy into every part of our body. The digestive system, the excretory system, the respiratory system, everything is working through this action of the capillaries in our body. And all the toxins are then sent back through the veins, back into the heart, from where it is sent to the lungs to be purified and healed. So the lungs have the main job of detoxifying the body and detoxifying the blood. If your lungs are not taking in the full capacity of the breath, your body is never really working at its 100%, and the process of elimination of the toxins is never complete. So that is why it is very, very important. It has been stated that the cells of our lungs, if they were spread out over an unbroken surface, spread out to about 14,000 square feet, that is huge. That is the kind of work that it is doing, that is the kind of energy that it needs. And in a single day of 24 hours, the lungs are processing about 35,000 pints of blood in a day. So that is a lot. That is a lot that your lungs are doing for you unconsciously. And it is time for us to give some love back to our body.